Hello everyone, welcome to our channel VIVAN Education. We are discussing chapter 4 Exponents and Powers. In previous class we completed exercise 4.1 with the help of laws of exponents. Total formulas we are using, and we completed exercise 4.1. If you missed the class, I given link in description, you can check that one. Today we are going to discuss about next topic is standard form and usual form. Topic is about standard form and usual form. Okay, so nothing but which is exercise 4.2. So first two bits we'll discuss today. Okay, so this is what exercise 4.2. So here I written the questions already. 4.2, first bit is about express the following numbers in the standard form. Standard form. So nothing but he will give normal decimal form or numbers he will give. We had to convert to the powers of 10. We had to convert into the form of 10 to the power of. Okay, that is what the standard form. So we'll do one by one first. So what is given here? 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros and 9, 4, 7. Okay. Now this one we had to convert into standard form. So if you observe here in this given decimal, the value is what here 947. So what I am doing here, I am removing the decimal point. Okay. So if you remove the decimal point, denominator what you will get here? These are 9 zeros, right? 9, 10, 11, 12. You will get how much zeros? 12 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because a decimal pointer after having these many values, so I took here 12 zeros here. Okay. After removing 0, so the value what will be the value? Only 947. Right? So this one I am writing as 947 by this one I am writing as 10 to the power of 12. Yes, because 12 zeros is right. Now nothing but 10 is raised to the power of 12. This implies one I am writing here 947 into 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n. What is the formula? A to the power of minus n. Right? Then we can write as 10 power minus 12 is the answer. 947 into 10 to the power of minus 12 is the answer. Or else if we can solve more also. So what I am doing here, 947 into 10 power minus 12, right? If you want to solve more, you can put a decimal pointer anywhere after 7 or 4 or 9 before. You can put anywhere. If you want to put suppose here after 4, so 9.47. So decimal point after how many values are here? 2 zeros, right? Just I am multiplying with 100 into 10 power minus 12. If you want to put before 7 means 1 digit, right? You have to multiply with 10. So here I am placing before 4, right? So 2 values is there, right? That's why I am multiplying with 100. 9.47 into 100, again it makes how much? 947 only. Then 9.47 into this one 100 nothing but 10 square into 10 power minus 12. Then 9.47 into, we know this is the form of a power m into a to the power of n, nothing but a to the power of m plus n. Then 10 to the power of 2 minus 12 is how much? Minus 10. So you can write as what? 9.47 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So why you want to put here only? Suppose you want to make a point before 9. Means after point you having 3 values, right? Then you have to multiply with 1000. Okay? Like that you have to solve, or else you can stop here also. Anyway, it is the correct answer only. Okay? Next one. Second one is given as what? 543 after how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So directly here, just you have to remind one thing, decimal point after balance, that means we are getting the negative here. Suppose see here, here any decimal point is there? Not there, right? So directly we can write this one. 543 into How many zeros is there count here? 9 is the right. This one I am writing as 10 to the power of 9. Nothing but 10 is raised to the power of 9. So now you can, so this is the answer. If you want to place a decimal point, you can place anywhere, before 3 or before 4 or before 5, anywhere you can put. Suppose if you want to place after 2 digits, nothing but if you take 5.43. So after point, how many values is there here? 2, right? So just multiply with 100, then into what is the remaining? 10 to the power of 9. So why I am considering here 100 means 5.43 into 100, again it makes 543. Clear? Then 5.43 into 100 we can write as what? 10 square. 10 is raised to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 9. Then 5.43 into 10 to the power of a power m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m plus n. Then 2 plus n is equals to 11 is the answer. Okay, you can stop here. If you want to make a decimal point, you can write like this also. Well, suppose why I want to place here point, suppose I want to place a point before 3, then what will happen? 54.3 into placing point after how many values there here? Only one is there. Just I am multiplying with 10 into 10 to the power of 9. Instead of these two, I am considering before 3, right? Then 54.3. So if you multiply 54.3 into 10, again you will get here 543 only, right? Into, now power what is there here? 1. A power m into a power n, nothing but a to the power of m plus n. Then 10 power 1 plus n is 10. Even this is also correct. Okay, that's our wish, where we had to put the point, that is our wish. Yes, are you getting? So that is the second question. Third one is about 483, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, given 5 zeros. So same answer like the second question, this one. Now this one we can write as what? 483 into 10 is raised to the power of 5. Is it clear first? Yes. So this is the answer. Or you want to place a decimal point means, suppose after 2 dates we will place a decimal point. Nothing but 4.83 into, we are placing data before 2 points, right? So here after 2 points is there, so we had to multiply with 100 into 10 to the power of 5. Then 4.83, if you multiply 100 with the 4.83, you will get the same 483, right? 100 we can write as what? 10 square into 10 power 5. 4.83 into, again, a to the power of m into a to the power of n, nothing but a to the power of m plus n. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. So 10 to the power of 7. Okay. Now what we'll do? So we'll change one value. We'll take before here 4. Then what will happen here? 0.483, right? Why you had placed it before 2 points only? Now we'll take the starting point here. So see, after point, how many values are here? 3. So nothing but we had to multiply with 1000. 1000 with 0.483, it makes how much again? 483 into 10 to the power of 5. Clear? Then 0.483 into 1000 we can write as what? 10 power 3, 10 cube into 10 power 5. Then 0.483 into, again formula, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n, right? Then 10 power 3 plus 5 is 8. Even this is also correct answer. So we can write anyway, you will get the same answer. Means method is different. Decimal point means just a power will be changed. That's it. Okay. Next, fourth one is about the question 0.409298. Okay. So here decimal value is there, right? So we'll get the denominator, those many zeros. Point after how many values is there here? Check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So denominator will get 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you remove the decimal point, what is the remaining number here? 9298. Right? Then this is equals to 9298 by 10 is raised to the power of 8. Right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros is there. Okay. Now again, if it comes to the denominator, comes to the numerator, means it becomes what? Negative. Because in the formula, 1 by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of minus n. Nothing but 9298 into 10 to the power of what? Minus 8. Clear? So this is the answer. If you want to place a decimal point, then what will happen? We'll see here. Now suppose I want to place a decimal point after 3 digits. Then what will happen? 9.298. So now with which number we have to multiply? With what? I am multiplying with 1000 because after decimal point we are having 3 values, right? Nothing but we have to multiply with 1000. Nothing but 9.298 into 1000, it makes 9298 into 10 power minus 8. Again 9.298 into 1000 we can write as what? 10 cube into 10 to the power of minus 8. Again 9.298 into formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Nothing but a to the power of m plus n. Then 8 minus 3 is what? 5, and 8 is a greater number having minus symbol. So answer is what? Minus 5. Then 9.298 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Because suppose you want to change the value. Suppose you want to take after 92 you want to place a point. Then what will happen? We'll see here. Then 92.98. So now placing before here, right? After decimal point we are having 2 digits, right? We have to multiply with what? 100 now. Into remaining 10 power minus 8, I am writing as it is. Then 92.98, 100 nothing but we can write as what? 10 square into 10 power minus 8. Then 92.98 into a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Nothing but a to the power of m plus n. 10 power. Then 8 minus 2 is what? 6. 2 and 8. 8 is the greater number having which symbol? Minus. So the answer is minus. So like this we can place a decimal point in different places, then I will get the answers like this. Okay, so this is about the fourth one. Next one is the fifth one. 0.0000529. So again like the same sum as it is like a fourth question. Chalo, we'll see this one also. Solution given what? 0. How much was 4 zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 529. Now again decimal point is there. After decimal point how many digits are there here? Check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you will get denominators how much is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nothing but now we have to remove the decimal point. Then what is the number remaining here? 529. Yes, is it clear? Then what will happen? 529 by, this is 10 is raised to the power of 7 because having here 7 zeros, right? Now this becomes 529 into 10 to the power of what? Minus 7 because 1 by a to the power of n, it makes a to the power of minus n. Then answer is what? 529 into 10 power minus 7. Now if you want to place a decimal point, what will happen? We'll see here. Suppose this is the answer. Now we will place a decimal point here. So where will place here? Suppose I am placing after 5, nothing but 5.29. So after point how many values there here? 2, right? So now we have to multiply with 100, then into 10 power minus 7. Then 5.29 into 100 nothing but again 10 square into 10 power minus 7. Then 5.29 into 10 power again a to the power of m into a to the power of n, nothing but a to the power of m plus n. Then 7 minus 2 is what? 5, nothing but which 5? Minus 5, having 7 is a greater number. So the answer is what? 5.29 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Yes, is it clear? So if you want to miss, you can place before 5 also you can place, or before and also you can place. You will get the power is the exponent is different one. That's it. Okay. This is about what? First bit. So nothing but what we done here. So we convert it into the standard form. He given usual form, we convert it into the standard form. Now coming to the second one, express the following numbers in the usual form. Now this is what? Usual form. Nothing but a normal numbers form. or decimal forms we had to represent in the given powers. So he given number, what are the numbers given here? 4.37 into 10 to the power of 5. First one. Nothing but given 4.37 into 10 to the power of 5. Right? So nothing but what will happen here? 4.37 into 10 to the power of 5 means 10 we had to multiply how many times? 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing but here, if you observe here, after decimal, how many values are here? 2, right? Nothing but we have to divide with 100. Then it becomes a 437 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 by nothing but 100, nothing but again 10 square, nothing but 10 into 10. So why I am writing here 10 into 10 means after decimal we having 2 digits, right? Nothing but ones and 10th and 100th place. So 10 into 10, 100 I am writing as 10 into 10. So we are removing the decimal point, the number we got 437. Now 10, 10, 10, 10 will be cancelled. Then it becomes what? 437 into 10 tens are 100. 100 into 10 nothing but 1000. Nothing but what is the answer? 437 and 3 zeros. Nothing but 4,37,000. Yes, 4,37,000. So what we done? Just 10 power 5. I multiplied 5 times here. Point after having two values here. Nothing but 100. Nothing but I am writing as 10 into 10. So cancel 10 times 100 and 10 times 100. Remaining 437 into 10 times 100. 100 into 10. Nothing but 1000. So multiplying 437 into 1000, we got 4,37,000. So this is what the usual form. Next one. Second one. Second one is given as what here? 5.8 into 10 to the power of 7. 5.8 into 10 to the power of 7. Then see here, point after how many values are here? Only 1. So if you remove the decimal point, you will get the denominator only 110. This 10 power 7, right? So I am writing as 10 into 10 to the power of 6. 10 into 10 to the power of 6. Nothing but 10 power 1 only, right? A power m into a power n. Nothing but a to the power of m plus n. So nothing but this, nothing but 10 power 1. This one will be cancelled. Then 58 into 10 power 6 means 6 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now multiplying here, 58 ones are 58. Then write remaining 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Okay, 5 crores, 80 lakhs is the answer. Clear? Just remove the decimal point. I am equating the denominator to the numerator to cancel. Then we will get the answer here. Okay? Next one. Third one. Third one. The question is what here? 32.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay. First you check here. What is there here? Power also what is there here? Negative is there. So first we will remove decimal point here. It becomes what? 325 by 10 actually. Because after decimal point only one digit is right. Nothing but 10. Nothing but we have to divide with 10. And this is 10 power what? Minus 4. Now this is equals to 325 by 10 into, it becomes 10 power 4. Right? Because we know formula a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. Now it becomes what? 1 by a to the power of n, nothing but 1 by 10 power 4. Then it makes how much? 325 by 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 5. Because nothing but power, nothing but 1. We know the formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m plus n, nothing but 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Then 325 by 10 is raised to the power of 5. Nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to divide 325 with how much? 1 lakh. Okay, so just to check denominator, how many zeros are there first here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just put a point after, take a point, write 2 zeros and 325 is the answer. Nothing but 0.00325. Point after. So you have to get how many values? 5 values, right? Getting 2 zeros and writing number as it is. So the answer is what? 0.00325. Even if you divide, you will get the same answer. Okay, are you getting? So this is what simple division. 325 divided by 1000, sorry, 1 lakh is equals to how much? 0.00325 is the answer. Next one, fourth one is 3.71529 into 10 to the power of 7. So here given what after decimal point, how many values are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there, right? So what we'll do here? First we'll do the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if you remove the decimal point, what will you get here? 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9 into 10 to the power of 7. It's clear? Then what will happen here? 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing but 10 power 5, right? Okay, already written, right? Here 10 power 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 5 zeros will be cancelled. Then what is the answer? 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9 into 100. Then what is the answer? 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9. 100 means you get 2 zeros, right? Answer. Okay, or else you can do like this also. So what we done here? 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9 by, this is what? 10 to the power of 5, right? So 10 to the power of 7 we can write as what? 10 power 5 into 10 square. Because 8 to the power of m into 8 to the power of n, nothing but 8 to the power of m plus n. Nothing but 5 plus 2 becomes how much? 7 again. Now 10 power 5, 10 power 5 will be cancelled. Then 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9 into 10 square means 100. Again you will get the same answer. Okay, you can split or you can take zeros, even though you will get the same answer. Is it clear? That's it. Next one, fifth one. What's the question? 3789 into 10 to the power of minus 5. If you observe here he not given a decimal point. Okay, in a previous case he given a decimal point having negative here, right? But here decimal point is not given. So this one is directly we had to do. So how to do means 3789. We know the formula 8 to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by 8 to the power of n, right? Nothing but by it becomes 10 power 5. Clear? We know 8 to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by 8 to the power of n. Okay, so this is equals to 3789 by 10 to the power of 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. This is equals to we had to divide. So simply check denominator, how many zeros is there here? 3 plus 2 is what? 5. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. So decimal after we had to get compulsory 5 values. So 0.03789. Point after we are getting what? 5 values, right? 0.03789 is the answer. If you divide, you will get the same answer. Okay. So this is a 3789 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is equals to how much? 0.03789 is the answer. Okay. So one thing you forgot that therefore statement not written here. Just you write everything here. Next, last one is about the sixth one. Sixth one is what's the question? 24.36 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here having a decimal point, right? So after point we are having a 2 digits, 10th and 100th place. If you remove the decimal point, you will get denominator how much? 100, nothing but 2436. into 10 to the power of minus 3. Now we consider here 2436 by 100 nothing but 10 square into 10 power minus 3 becomes 10 power plus 3, because again same formula, a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. This is equals to 2436 by denominator is in the form of a power n into a power m, nothing but a to the power of m plus n, nothing but 10 power 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Then this is equals to 2436 by 10 power 5, nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now divide denominator having how many zeros? 5 values, 5 zeros, right? So this one we can write as what? 0.02436. Nothing but 0 point, right? 0.02436 is the answer. If you divide, you will get the same answer. It's clear. So just after decimal point, how many is there? I'm taking those many zeros, converting to the powers using formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Then we are getting and we are dividing. So in this case, if we are dividing, then we are getting the answer. Okay. So this is about usual form and standard form. Standard form, we are converting into the powers. Okay. In usual form, we are converting into the numbers. Yes, is it clear? So in usual form, we are doing division. So we are doing directly here with respect to the number of zeros. Directly we are dividing here. Okay. So this is a concept of standard form and usual form. Okay. In next class, we'll discuss third and fourth, fifth bits in next class. Okay. I hope you got it. Thank you so much.